Hi and welcome to Stafford Audi. This is a stunning brand new Audi TT 2.0 TFSI 45 S-Line S Tronic, which we currently have in stock. It's a coupe, it's petrol, it's automatic, it's done around 20 miles, and of course it's a 3-door, and it comes in a gorgeous Daytona Grey. We've got the LED headlights, we've got the 19-inch 5-spoke design, partly finished alloy wheels. It does come with the S-Line pack as well. So we have the S-Line badges on the wings of the car. It comes with the S-Line sports package, which has been lowered by 10mm. We do have rear parking sensors, which are really helpful when you're trying to get in those tight car parking spaces at the supermarket. As we take a quick look in the boot for you, the boot is really spacious. It can hold approximately 305 litres. Now those back seats do fold down, giving you extra room if needed. Absolutely stunning car this. This vehicle does come with a retractable rear spoiler that deploys and retracts automatically at a set speed, giving you that extra sporty look. And this TT does come with 3 years warranty and also 3 years roadside assistance. So as we jump in the car, we have got a central lock-in. Both windows are electric mirrors as well. Let's just have a quick look in the back of the car for you now. So the seats throughout the vehicle are half leather, half Alcantara. The front seats are the sport seats and they are heated. As we get in the car, we've got the multi-functional steering wheel just here. I'm just going to start the car. Just press a button. Fire up for you. So here you can personalise the cockpit display to whatever information you want to see. So whether it's information about the vehicle, you want to select your favourite radio station on the DAB digital radio. There's loads of choice on here. Just scroll up and down like I'm doing now to find your desired radio station. Once your phone is connected via Bluetooth, you can operate it there, take calls and reject calls via these buttons over here. And of course you've got the satellite navigation system, and you can zoom in and also zoom out as well. And if you hit view, make that screen bigger for you. You've got the volume control over here, light controls over to the right. Down here, yeah, I've got the paddock for the cruise control as well. Then we've got the air conditioning system in the vehicle, dead easy to use. Just twist that, as you can hear there. You turn it on and turn it off. Temperature work there as well. And then down here we have got a little compartment where we have got 2 USB ports, an AUX port as well, and of course the Audi phone box where if you chuck your phone on there, it will charge it wirelessly, also give it a stronger signal boost as well. We've got the electric park and brake, and these control what you see on the cockpit display, as well as of course the buttons on the steering wheel. For example, if we go into the Audi smartphone, you can connect up to the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto as well. We've got a cup holder and of course a little compartment in there to keep things in. And this is the Audi TT 2.0 TFSI S-Line. If you would like any more information about this stunning vehicle, please give us a call here at Stafford Audi on 01785 319 041.